What's happening, YouTube? If you all ever have a problem with your battery and you've changed the battery, what might be your problem is the battery fuse, which is this part. There's fuses in here, fuses in the side. In fact, this is the replacement. So, without having to go to a mechanic, you can kind of diagnose this to see if everything is attached here or here in those little fuses. But that might be a problem with your vehicle if you change the battery or if you had battery problems and you're still dealing with it. Alright, these little tabs here on this 09 Infiniti G37, you have to push these tabs for them to unlock out of here, and then they snap back in, and they just go in the way they were. So this is the old one. This is the stupid reason why you got to change these, because these just do not last. And the problem is aftermarket ones do not bolt into there because it's too thick or too thin, one or the other. So basically you're stuck going back with the, let me show you. Original style, where this will fit in that part. So it goes back just the way it was, how it looked from the beginning. And gonna wrap this up, get this going, because shoot, just got off of work. I'm tired, it's hot. All right, y'all.